Now, after digital pathology, telepathology and AI based diagnosis is the future of pathology. And definitely Cilika is making impact in at least telepathology, because whenever I was not there in the center, I can connect to the iPad, I can see the live slides and I can report. So this will going to happen in future also. Hello everyone, myself Dr. Pavan Ratunavar. I am practicing pathologist from Nippani. I have done my MBBS from Government Medical College Latur. I have done my PG from Government Medical College Miras. I am practicing in Nippani from last 10 years. I am using the conventional microscopes around 7 to 8 years. The major reason I have shifted to Cilika microscope is that the constant eye strain I am getting with the conventional microscopes. So my spectacle number getting increased every 1.5 years. So due to that, I have shifted to the Cilika microscope, and after shifting to the Cilika microscope, my spectacle number has remained constant. Other reason is the neck strain. The image quality is very good with the Cilika microscope compared to the conventional microscopes, and that it is not that time consuming. Taking images, sharing with your friends is very easy with the Cilika microscope. Searching for the digital microscope since around last 3 to 4 years. I have seen lot of demos. After seeing various demos of various microscopes, I have finalized the Cilika microscope. We can take the videos at the real time, share the images, and now it's the era of telepathology. Because of that, I have shifted to the digital microscope. So when I'm using the traditional or conventional microscopes, when I need to take the images to share with my colleagues, to share with my friends, it is lot of time consuming. I have to stand up, I have to focus the images with the mobile. It's very difficult sometimes to get the picture quality that the person we are sending is satisfied. After shifting to the Cilika, it's just on your fingertip. Taking the images, taking the videos, it's just within seconds, and simultaneously you can share with your friends. So the TAT, that is turnaround time of a single test is drastically reduced as compared to the previous one. So one of the best feature of Cilika is it's the high resolution images. Because of that, even you can zoom the images like this. Even you can zoom the images without hampering the picture quality. And because of that, the confidence in the diagnosis has greatly increased. Cilika is a very portable, compatible design, so that it can fit in your table. It not consuming lot of spaces. So I'm highly satisfied with that. Main USP of the Cilika microscope, I thought, is the image quality and the pictures which we are taking from the iPad and the videos. So I can take these pictures and videos and share with my pathology colleagues, so that whenever needed I can take the second opinion from them. So the turnaround time will be getting increased. But after shifting to Cilika, the turnaround time or TAT is drastically reduced, and the image quality is so superior that by looking at the images, my friends and colleagues, they can give an opinion regarding the images. Cilika has definitely increased the archive process, documentation, as whenever we take the image here, it will come with a default name, comment, so we can directly put the diagnosis, patient name or a biopsy number in that, and we can document these images in our database. So it has helped a lot. Previously this is very difficult with the conventional microscopes. And definitely it has made a huge impact, as digital pathology, AI based diagnosis is now the future of the pathology, and Cilika is one of the major players in that, and it has definitely helped to one of the leading players in the AI based or digital pathology. Cilika has definitely helped me to modernize my practice, and I definitely think it will make the same for many others, because one of the major reason is the image quality. So major impact is the reduction in the turnaround time, and you can utilize that time for other activities. Now, after digital pathology, telepathology and AI based diagnosis is the future of pathology, and definitely Cilika is making impact in at least telepathology, because whenever I was not there in the center, I can connect to the iPad, I can see the live slides, and I can report. So this will going to happen in future also, and there are a lot of AI based softwares coming for the various parameters, and it will help in future. No, what is the important for till time, what is that fluorescent microscopy is all the pathologists think that it's out of reach of a general pathologist, as the cost of the fluorescent microscope is very high. So no one is thinking of starting a fluorescent microscopy, either it is direct or indirect. But what Cilika is made, that they have provided this fluorescent attachment, a fluorescent cube, which attached to your light microscope, and convert this light microscope into a fluorescent microscope. So you can use the same microscope for both the things, light microscopy as well as fluorescent microscopy. So now the pathologist can think they can start the both fluorescent microscopy as well as the light microscopy, anyway they are doing only. Previously we have to send the samples to the corporate centers. Report is taking around 3 to 4 days, but now as we are doing the in-house, we can give report on the same day or the other day. As it's a digital microscope, as it has integrated with this iPad, the image quality I already mentioned, it's a very high end. And what are the other important feature is that when you move or shift these images, there is no lag time, which I have seen with the other digital microscopes. Other digital microscope, when you move the field, there is some lag time between your hand movement and your real movement. So it is somewhat disturbing, which is not there with the Cilika. That is the major. And other there are small things are there. There you can have a lot of options here. So using these options, you can measure the depth. In cases of malignancies, you can measure the depth of invasion or how much tumor is away from the deep margin. Before it was very difficult with the conventional microscopes, and after shifting to Cilika, it is just within 15 to 20 seconds we can measure these things. Very useful feature. As I already mentioned, the physical what difficulties you are getting, the neck strain, eye strain, once you are get rid of this, you are get rid of one mental pressure, so you can focus on your work, and as you focus on your work and you get such high end image qualities, you will definitely enjoy your work